In this video, I am going to show you exactly what you need to know about affiliate marketing in Nigeria and how affiliate marketing actually works, right? So if this is your first time of hearing about affiliate marketing, you need to watch this video all the way till the very end so that you know everything about affiliate marketing, how it actually works, and how you can also make money from this affiliate marketing business. So if this is your first time of watching my videos, my name is Johnpaul Onwueme, a blogger, a YouTuber, affiliate marketer, and online business coach. If you want to get my updates on how to make money online in general, go ahead and like this video, smash that like button and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. Alright, let me start by explaining what affiliate marketing actually is, right? So that you understand what this business model is all about. Now, affiliate marketing is a type of marketing whereby you promote other people's products or service, and in return you get a commission. That is the simple definition of what affiliate marketing actually is, right? I have totally defined everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, there are three main people involved in this affiliate marketing. I am going to mention them for you right now. The first set of people is what we call the affiliate network. Now, this affiliate network is where the affiliate products are being hosted, right? For instance, if you want to promote an affiliate product, you have to sign up with a very good affiliate network, right? So that affiliate network is where the affiliate products are being hosted online, so that it is going to be easier for you to sign up on those affiliate networks and start promoting affiliate products. I hope you get the point right now. Now, the second set of people is what we call the vendors. Now, the vendors are the actual product owners. These people take care of creating the courses that the affiliates promote, right? So they do all the hard work. They create the products, they manage the students and all of those stuff, right? So that is the work of the vendor, right? Now, the third set of people in affiliate marketing is called the affiliate marketers, right? So these affiliate marketers are the people that actually promote these products owned by the product vendors. I don't know if you are getting the gist right now. For instance, I am an affiliate marketer. I can decide to go to any affiliate network of my choice, pick any product, and start promoting it. That is my own work as an affiliate marketer. I hope you get the whole gist right now, right? By now, you now know what affiliate marketing is. You now know what affiliate network is. You now know what a product vendor is, and you now know who an affiliate is, right? So this is basically the three set of people that are involved in affiliate marketing. All right, for you to promote an affiliate product as an affiliate and make your affiliate commission, you also need three things right here. The first one is your unique affiliate link for the affiliate product which you want to promote, right? If you go into any affiliate network like StakeCut, Front End, Seller, or any affiliate network of your choice, pick a product and you are going to see your unique affiliate link for that specific product, right? That specific affiliate link is unique to you. Whenever you refer people to buy a product, to buy that particular affiliate product, that unique link is what is going to be used to track that sale and pay your affiliate commission. I hope this is very, very simple to understand, right? Now, the second thing you need as an affiliate is an audience, right? Once you get your affiliate link, you are going to promote it to a set of people to get sales, right? Those people you are promoting it to is your targeted audience, right? So you need your affiliate link, you need your audience, a targeted audience that are actually interested in what you are actually promoting, right? So that is the second thing. Now, the third thing you need to promote an affiliate product is a sales funnel. Now, what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a system that you create in order to promote your affiliate product. Now, whenever you hear a sales funnel, you don't need to be confused, right? It can be as simple as ABCD, right? It is simple as creating a system that helps you to sell your affiliate products. You can use your WhatsApp to create your funnel. You can use your website to create your funnel. You can use free website like Google site to create your funnel, right? You simply need to send your audience to your funnel so that they see exactly what you are promoting, and once they are interested, they will follow your funnel step by step until they purchase your affiliate products, right? So this is very simple as ABCD. Now, by now, I know that you have gotten the full knowledge on what affiliate marketing is, what you basically need to promote an affiliate product, right? Let me tell you the truth that other people might not tell you. If you decide to start affiliate marketing right now, the advice I'm going to give you right now is this: go and learn affiliate marketing, learn the practical aspect, right? Because if you skip the training and go straight to start affiliate marketing, it is going to be very, very difficult for you to make your first sale. Yes, I have been there before, so I know exactly what I am talking about. So what am I saying? You need a step-by-step practical training that will show you step-by-step process on how to make money from affiliate marketing in Nigeria. So if you want to get a step-by-step and practical training on how to make money online in Nigeria as an affiliate marketer, check out the first link in the video description, and you are going to see the link to get affiliate marketing for beginners training. That training is a very comprehensive affiliate marketing training, and it is designed for beginners like you. So if you get the training, study it step by step. Do not skip any of the training. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, smash that like button and like this video. Click that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube.